Hello guys, welcome to another video, and in today's video we have the Redmi A3, which is pattern locked. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can hard reset or unlock your pattern from the Redmi A3. For that, first you have to power off your phone. Then press and hold power and volume up keys simultaneously. Power and volume up key. Now release power key when the MI logo comes up and keep holding on to the volume up key until the no command page comes up. After that, again press the power and volume up key to go into the recovery menu. Now when you get into the recovery menu, use the volume keys to move the option and use power key to select an option. Select factory data reset twice and then wait for a few seconds, and at the bottom of your screen when you see the data wipe complete, it means that the data from your phone has been completely erased and the pattern has been removed. After that, select reboot system now and your phone will reboot. After the reboot and hard reset, it will take some time to boot up, so you have to wait for it. Now when this screen comes up, tap on start, move forward, set up your phone, and after completing this setup, you guys will be able to use your phone normally again, and the pattern that was set up previously on this phone now has been removed, as you can see here. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for the new updates. Thank you very much.